Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Yaga second Northeast Olympic Games arajar arpuar lapli ha kasngipalay ha SAI Training Center bat kani kalampong kalalong kaba ipu iping ha kabalawan yeshim benta da lai hajar ngut kinong ile kai kathan chate lamingi. Ya kani kalampong lapli da umentri rang ba kajila ukon lat ki sangma kum ukongsan haringkat umentri katanat ile kai uba bante dor lingdo kinong mikmat jong kijela kathan chate lamingi kumju na ka Northeast Olympic Association Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat kiway. Hagani gas Jingplie lawan ban Sakhi lang da klur nong mare bakansay na kajala Assam ka Hima das. Kani kalong kasir kabaning kong bakajala kanyo ban penlong ya kani kalampung hadin baka Arunachal Pradesh kamshim lala ban penlong hausnam balala na kadaw jo ka klam COVID khat khandai. Watlah ka first Northeast Olympic Games hausnam arajar khat pra ka balalong ha Manipur lala ban penlong tang khat artri gi jingi le kai handaya kani ka kenti lala ban penlong hadu khat pra tali gi bakan thop ya ka archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, judo, karate, shooting, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, wushu, cycling, golf, weightlifting, but wrestling. Kani ka program kalalong ka ba ipu iping ling ba kijing shat tan rai jong kathan chate lamingi kijing yat march pass jong kinong ishim benta kijing ruai na kikun hun tem jong ka somersault bat kiway na kithan chate lamingi kumjo na ka tarari choir na West Khasi Hills Penter Orchestra lampang siemli kijing penheru iki drone kijing penbethai iki bom halor sun bat kiway. Ya kani kalampong na penlong ha kasir kabaning kong ha kani ka jilla kabalong ru shibanta barakhi ka jingdap san pos nem ka jingyo ya ka jilla bapura kani kalampong yele kai an pen kot no ka khat riu tarik mentau nai wieng.
Outside at the main gate, the swimming there we have a
We also would like to acknowledge the presence and we felicitate the Honourable Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs. I beg your pardon, the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Preston Tinsong.
As the state proudly completes and celebrates 50 years of statehood, it is only befitting that this festival of sport, the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games, is being hosted by the Government of Meghalaya and the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. Karatekas, Shri Raja. The host and mentor of the first edition. Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, we wish them all the very best.
I promise that we will take part in the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022.
Exotic northeastern states of India. He's right from the state of Assam. From Manipur, a state
Manipur Olympic Association, Lieutenant General KC Panchanathan, AVSM, GOC.
To every stadium, we look to provide a smooth and comfortable experience to all participating states, so that all the athletes need to focus is on giving the best they can.
Curtain of the second Northeast Olympic Games being raised. The land described as the dream destination of every traveler. This picturesque and summer capital of the world becomes yet again the confluence of our nation builders.
And it's a great opportunity that we are hosting this mega event as part of the Golden Jubilee celebration. About 3,000 athletes from the 8 North-Eastern states will be competing across 18 disciplines to emerge as champions. The officials, volunteers and the stakeholders have worked very hard to get all 12 venues ready, and I must congratulate each one of them. Friends, sports are an integral part of our culture. It is just about winning or losing, but about competing, and competing hard and fair. Sports makes one a better person and prepare them for the challenges in life. I will also like to urge everyone to make the sports as a way of life. It should not be looked at as an extracurricular activity, but as an integral part of the developmental journey of the human being.
As you are aware, Meghalaya is celebrating 50 years. And in order to mark the celebration of 50 years, we also decided that it must celebrate the youth of our state, the youth of our region, and the youth of this nation. And hence, we were very firm that we would want to host the Northeast Olympics in Shillong in this very, very special year of Golden Jubilee celebration of our state. Meghalaya government has been taking numerous steps to organize and to ensure that different policies are created for the youth. Be it confidence building, soft skill trainings, be it different kind of social activity programs, be it music, be it the sports policy that we have, or be it the youth policy. Meghalaya government has strived to ensure that we are able to give the right focus and importance to the youth of our state and of the region and the country as a whole. And remember these moments also. So try to make the best out of the opportunity that you're getting. We will be having our Olympics at the global level coming up soon. I hope that one of you, one of the 3,000, 2 of you, 3 of you, and if possible all 3,000 of you, will one day make your families proud, will one day make your state proud, and will one day make this nation proud by winning an Olympic, not just in the Northeast Olympics, but at the Global Olympic Games one day. I really hope that the day will come, and I know that the day will come one day.